What up guys, I'm back with another cinematic tutorial, and today we have a perfect burst fade with a design in the back, so let's run it. First, moisten up the entire canvas and section equal partings. Once you're done, clip away what you won't be cutting. Make sure to take your time because this is a very important step. With your preferred trimmer, create a circular baseline. Then remove everything underneath. Do the same for both sides. This will help you out by keeping both identical to one another. Now remove all the stubble left behind. Okay, with your clipper and the lever open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. Try using more corners and follow that baseline. Using the 1.5 guard open, this time create a 4 inch guideline. Next, with the number 2 open, flow right above that 1.5 and flick out to remove any visible line. Clip or overcomb anything you feel should be removed. Now you want to close up the lever without a guard and hit that first baseline halfway through the guideline. Use your trimmer to remove that baseline if it's still visible. You want to gradually keep opening up your lever as you keep going up. With the 1/2 guard halfway open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. And now just slightly open up the lever with the same guard and create another 1/2 inch guideline. With your number 1, break any line you're able to see within the light and dark area. I do come back to several different guards and try to take out lines within the blend. Finally, with the lever open, knock out any last visible line you're able to see. Use plenty of corners and stay patient through the process. Detailing is crucial. Make sure you hit all the spots you think need touch-up. You can use your blending shears to blend any imperfections within the darkness. Guys, the other side is the exact same process. Just remember to make the same size guidelines you made before. I do want to say thanks for all the love and support. If you've learned anything from the video or enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe and press the bell notifications to stay up to date with the channel. If you happen to be wondering where to get these translucent guards, make sure to visit MartyBlendz.com. Also, remember that learning the art of barbering has a lot to do with repetition. Don't expect to be great right off the bat. If you're new to it, relax and know every great barber has gone through the steps you're taking. Keep going and be easy with it. Also know that the longer you take and more detail you add to a haircut, the better the results. As for the occipital area, I decided to add in a number 2 at the far bottom, then work my way off to a number 4 just to debulk the section where I want my design. Clipper over comb is the safest way to get some bulk off, so use it to your advantage. Hairspray will help the hair from moving around while lining up. With your trimmer, be precise with the design you're going for and be creative. As you can see, I concentrate on where my top blade is going to land. Angle the trimmer in the way where you can make it fit into the spot you're going into. If the design is towards the neck area, be careful not to press too hard onto the scalp. Working on C-cups is fairly simple. Use the right side of the trimmer to get the left C-cup and vice versa. Next, moisten up the entire top and rear section of the head. Using scissor over comb, knock out any bulk or hair that could potentially dangle off, or look too volumizing. A diffuser will help equally dry up the hair and add in a bit of texture. Adding a bit of clay will make a big difference on the final look of the cut. Polish everything up by using a razor and you should be set. Guys, this is the aftermath, and if you did enjoy this tutorial, make sure to subscribe. I'm MartyBlendz, and I'm out. Peace.